Hey everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub and welcome to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to fix Nespresso Vertuo red light blinking. So if you are getting this error code, I will tell you a solution, but before that make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video from where you can now donate to our channel. So it is going to be a huge support for us creators. Alright, so now talking about the blinking light. Here, as you can see, we have a couple of solutions for that. So basically, the error code, this error or this blinking light is due to some error. So could be your machine is cooling down after overheating. So make sure that you're not overusing and just turning on your machine for very long time spans and long period of consecutive time. The motors need rest, so make sure you do not overheat them because these machines need rest. So um, wait for the machine's light to turn off. This means the machine is cooled down. So once you just let it sit there and just getting cooled down. So I hope this makes sense, right? So could be due to overheating in general. So make sure you wait and let it cool down. Another thing is that your machine needs to be descaled or cleaned. So over the time periods, these machines just um, get that um, greasy stuff on them, and all that type of oily stuff. So or the dirt could be anything in general. So make sure you keep them really nice and clean, and once you do that, once you do the service of these machines, they should be working perfectly fine. So these are some solutions that you can simply apply to your machines, and I hope they work fine. And yeah, let us know in the comments. Also make sure to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video or found this interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.